So we are going to Phong Nha cave and some other cave.
Good morning.
Good morning, yeah. Now we are going to the boat.
Just a bit further away, I saw them. Yes, so that both of us are in it. Not just
Yes.
yourself.
Both of us now. Going to the cave again.
Yeah.
I've seen more caves for last week more than in my whole life. I think yeah we can.
Can we sit here?
Yes, we can.
Hello.
Okay.
Whenever I'm ready to go.
Look at that hole. As big as yours.
Why are we going there?
I don't know. I thought we will go inside, but it seems like not. I don't go inside?
Oh, I think so, yeah.
okay.
I hope so.
You're in a rush to get off the bike, so yeah.
Yes.
So when inside?
I think we will go later maybe. I thought we are going there in that cave, but she's showing us to go up first, probably, and then we will go to the cave.
Another cave.
I lost the count. This way?
I think so. I read it as dog temple.
Dog's temple.
Dog. Oh shit. Dog temple.
And oh, this way?
I don't know. Maybe. Oh no, cave.
Ah. Hello.
Your tickets.
Tickets, okay. Oh, so many steps.
What was it? I'm tired already.
1,000 more?
We're almost there.
Uh-huh.
No.
Should I take a photo of you? Continue. Finally. More steps, yeah? Oh, it's cooler here.
Do you want to be in my video?
Yes. Oh, this is steep. How are you?
I'm great.
Yes. Enjoy the view. Or no?
No.
More way.
That's through the.
Oh, cool here.
I think we're almost there.
Yeah, probably. More stairs up.
Oh no. God. Yeah.
Ah, it's here. Done. We arrived at the entrance. Oh, nice. Holding on. Very good. Nice. Caves in Vietnam are huge. Yes, very interesting. It fell. It was supposed to be straight.
You pushed it.
Something got tired and fell.
That's too much of tourist.
I can hear bats.
Yesterday's was grand. This one's interesting.
Uh-huh.
I'll take a video.
Mm-hmm. You're welcome. I think I'm done with caves. We're the same. Similar. Different.
Yeah.
Or maybe I can go there. Or no. Maybe on the way back. Huh? It's also quite big. What's there?
There, but there's no way.
No way further. Wow, it goes further. Did we come to the end? Oh, nice, look at that. Alright, hold the GoPro, I'm gonna go there.
You want me to take a video while you? This further in. This further in, but it's dark. Are you gonna go? Mm-hmm. I can't. I can hear you, but I can't see you. Is this even a way? Ah, this is the way. Fat people cannot go through.
It was not bad,
Yeah.
but I think we've seen enough caves for next
Right.
few months.
But it was all beautiful caves. Do you need water?
Where? Later, let's go.
The steps are so uneven. It's nice.
Very beautiful.
Yeah. Going back down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say what?
Go into the cave finally.
Mine. He's open for me.
Okay.
That's good.
So there was a way further in that cave. There was a way further without the light, and you had to bend. Yeah, very small.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's why I took long. And you could climb up also and down. Like there was, yeah, different ways. You were waiting for me, so I didn't take too long. But there was more to explore.
Really?
Yeah. I think it's a bit pointless to use GoPro here because it's very dark. Yeah.
He's gonna wear his glasses because he can't see.
So those are bags. GoPro, I don't think you can see anything. This is cool. And still it's not as breakfast island. I'm done with my beer. Can I have two sips?
25k to 15k.
Mm-hmm.
Good bargain.
India taught me. I never bargained before India. I was ashamed to bargain. And then when I was climbing in that cave, the bats were flying around me like very close. Like I could catch it, like very close. Because I was with the flashlight, that's why they started moving. If I turn the flashlight off, maybe they would sit on me. I don't know. Yeah, and if I stay still, I'll have to come again to Phong Nha with a lot of money. Oh, nice. We will have to go back because my phone is dying. There's a way further you can go, but it seems like it's a different price and it's for a whole day probably. Now we are going back. And we are gonna get off and walk. So now we are gonna walk inside this cave. And there is a stop. Very beautiful.
It would be a nice place to swim.
try it?
It's freshwater to me. I don't want to try it. I was a bit bleh after the Paradise Day, but this is compensating.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, are they working here or no?
I think they work.
These guys.
I think they work here.
Excuse me? Can I go there?
No.
Okay. Wanted to climb there, but they told me no. I should come when there is nobody, when they are sleeping. Oh wow. Definitely. But because they are watching, and I would climb to that hole, but again they are all watching me.
It's a bit crowded.
Mm. Very, very nice.
This is so interesting. This
Mm-hmm.
looks like in the movies.
Yes. While nobody sees. Shit. Nice. Alright, hold, I'm gonna climb.
There's a hole down there. Hold on.
Which hole?
Just behind the light.
Ah.
You
Okay.
okay?
Yeah. Hold.
This is cool. Ooh.
Yeah.
Are you coming down?
Hold on, I will check what's there.
Okay.
I should have taken the GoPro there, but
Too late. Too late. Your shorts are behind on your ass.
30.
Yeah, take.
Let's go. Ah, that way, yeah. It's fine. Oh, it seems like there was a swimming pool. Well, there I found one more way of the trail. Oh no, there is no way. Alright, let's go back. We can go this way. So I was there, and there is a pool. Pools like this, but much bigger. Yeah, there is a pool, but it's too dry. Yeah. See, like this, dry. We reached the exit. Going back. Ah, we are gonna walk. I can buy beer now.
I remember we're gonna go back to the hotel.
It's still time on the boat, so we can buy a beer. Kayaking, people kayaking, nice. We have to come again with a different tour and kayak and climb more while nobody sees. Okay, I should have taken the GoPro up. It was nice. It was so I could see the other side where people were walking, but it was so high, yeah. Like from there you couldn't climb, only from this side where I climbed. Cool. Alright, stop. We already taken video here, no?
Yeah.
So we are done with the cave. Going back.